Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to continue talking about the Coleus plant, and the question I'm going to answer is, why is my Coleus flowering? Or my Coleus is flowering, what should I do? It's really simple. So these Coleus will flower during growing season. You can see right here, this is the beginning of a little flowering bud. They will grow. Purple flowers are really pretty. You'll see them pop up on the end of every single little leaf ending. Over time this will get really long and it'll start to flower. With flowering, this is kind of a choice. You typically will not want your Coleus to flower if you want it to stay bushy like this. Once it starts flowering and it's actually the flowers have come out, the plant starts becoming leggy, meaning it will become really it'll grow thin leaves, and the leaves will be really be separated, and this is there's multiple causes, but the number one thing is if it starts flowering, it's going to start moving towards this leggy look. So if you do see it's flowering and you like it, you can leave it. Just know that over time your Coleus is either going to look like it's dying, or you're not going to be happy with the bushiness of it because it's going to become leggy. So what you can do is, if you don't want it to become leggy and you see that it's flowering, you just get these little scissors, and right below the flower you just cut it off. And just make sure you go around every single area where you see it, and just make sure that you cut that flower off, and the bush will stay really nice, tight, and bushy.